kind of feel like we would have lost it right here.
What's up? This is DryFork Garage. Today we're going to be ripping around on the Kawasaki F11 252 stroke today, just a little bit. Just going to go on an adventure and have a good time. So stick around and we'll see how it turns out. Well, hopefully that video's going.
All right. We'll see how it starts. Totally cold. Give it a couple good pumps. And first kick. I mean, that's pretty good. Shoot. Almost forgot. Gotta get your riding gloves on. Gotta get the leathers all ready to go. I just figured I'd take the F11 for a little rip today. Oh, son of a gun, I sure ran out of gas. Classic! Well, I guess we'll just pull over and call. I think my mom's the only one home.
Alright, folks. My mama is an angel and she is on her way now. I called her up and so let me guess. She ran out of gas. And I said, yep, because I do this all the time. Usually my little sister comes and fetches me, but she's not here today. Definitely not how I wanted my first motovlog to go. But you know, it's a good evening. Ah, there she is. Yep, mom to the rescue. Thank you, mama.
Maybe try this again. See how far we get this time. Wow, whoever did this up, I don't think it was me. I'm just gonna leave that open. Here we go. Oh, that was a solid jump. Might have to get a video of me doing that coming back. Oh, love it. Kind of want to go up this path. We are selling this Kawasaki F11, right? Put it up on Facebook. Not like a crazy price, but you can fix their fence. But for a decent price. And I've had a couple hits on it. But you know how it goes. I just be like, is this available? And then not answer. Again, after you tell them, yes, it is. I'm like, what? Why did you text me if you're not going to answer me? Anyways, I had a few people actually fairly serious about it, wanted to come take a look. So then I went and got it already. And then he texted me after I get it already. So then this guy says, well, the blue books say it's only worth $530 in fair condition. And with your brake lever bent, I'd say it's more of worse condition than fair. I was like, what the freak? You know how cool this thing is? He's like, I'll give you $300. So $800 is my final, what I'm sticking with. And he hasn't texted me back yet, so. Oh well, I guess. Just trying to get money so I can go live in Pennsylvania, but you know, it's whatever. It'll sell. That wasn't that bad. Anyways, I just figured I'd make a, I don't know, I just kind of wanted to try a motovlog type deal. Because they seem fun to make, and they've been fun. It's been fun so far, so. Just get a goof off and record the thing, and, you know, hopefully it gets views. Kind of a primitive setup, though, for a motovlog. Oh, the bug flew to my eye. Ah, dadgum. Ah, okay, I think it's still in there, but I can't get it out with my leather gloves, so. Anyways, as I was saying, kind of a primitive setup for motovlogging. Just because, you know, it's my first time. I don't really know what I'm doing yet, even on YouTube in general, so. Look at that view, though. Woo! Maybe one day I'll figure it out, though, what I'm doing. Even with motorcycles, because I just kind of wing it most of the time. Hey, it's that same rabbit! It's the same one! That's where we saw him last time! I don't actually know who owns a lot of these. My grandpa owns something up here. But I'm not exactly sure. Oh, I was going to take a video of me jumping on that. Okay, now we gotta find a place to set up at. We'll find somewhere. See what I mean? I'm just recording the audio off my phone, and then I have this little action camera here. It's not a GoPro or anything, but I mean, it gets the job done, and I can't complain about it. It's worked pretty well. I think I'm gonna get this bug out of my eye too. Oh, he's huge. Darn sucker.
Don't tell my mom I'm not wearing a helmet, by the way.
You got like 3 feet of air that time.
Leather gloves. Check. Need for speed. Half a check. Bump start. Yes, sir. Jump. Try that bump start again. And it just skid. So, come on, shift to neutral. That is not neutral, that's second. That is first. Bump start. There we go. Hey, that kind of horse. He's ready to run. I wish I had some way to tell me how fast I'm actually going. Might have to get the old redneck speedometer out and have my little sister drive next to me on the four-wheeler. And then we'll have a roundabout estimate. I've never opened this thing all the way up. Holy smokes, though! Oh, I think we're running out of gas. We're almost there. We're gonna head up this. Woo! Dadgum! We need to go find that. I don't know what was happening right there. It acted like we were running out of gas, but coming up this hill, I started in neutral, I guess, and then I shifted down and it about wheeling me off my seat. It could honestly be anywhere. also, the other problem is this spark plug is coming out. See? Just basically lifted it out. This is why we wear leather gloves, right? So we can fix our bike on the fly. And that's probably why it's been kind of running weird. I don't know where that baffle went. But I really need to get home because I have a date. Hee hee. Oh my word, I'm just going to look for it later. We're going to pet this tiny horse though. Come here. Ooh. Petted him. Oh, this one's friendly. Well, guess it's time for me to get back home. And I'll find that baffle later. Have you seen my friend Colby? I didn't want to go up the trails again though. I've kind of known that sucker was prone to fall out sometime soon. Hey kids! I kind of feel like we would have lost it right here. I don't see it though. Alright, we'll find it later. Kawasaki F11 runs pretty good when the spark plug is, in the hole. That's not even the right spark plug. I ordered a new one. Well, hopefully it should be coming. And hopefully nobody runs over my baffle.
Don't worry, everybody. I found it. Funny thing is I came up here last night, drove right past it. I was even looking for it. It's a good thing I found it too, because somebody's coming to look at the bike right now. The F11 is officially gone. I successfully sold it. Went a lot better than the last time I tried to sell a bike. Here's a clip from that. For $430. That deal? Yeah. All right, let's do it. I sold it to Chase from Rocky Mountain ATV, and they're doing the $500 Enduro Challenge. So I was happy to be a part of that. I broke even on that one. This one turned out a lot better though. I made money. So that's always a positive thing.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like it. Like it if you like it. Let me know. Maybe things I can do better in my videos just so I can get some constructive criticism, Just try to make better videos every day. Thanks for watching again. See you on the next one.